Kaushal, what is that? Ma? So tell me. Now I am writing. Kaushal, I am coming to that part only. Ma. What is your doubt? After that, you are asking. After that, what? Durga Prasad is asking. Okay, he is saying the answers. Or he is saying, is this example is hybrid or multiple? Multiple. So multiple include diamond, multiple inheritance. Mr. Durga Prasad, CH Durga Prasad, you must read the notes now. You must read the notes. See, I will keep your chart window in the screen. See, you decide it what is your way of learning process. And this indicates clearly you are not reading the notes. See, I asked hybrid inheritance. What you are saying? Single level also, sir. Single level. Did I use this level anytime? Dear students, did I use any time this word? And next, includes a diamond, sir. Diamond. Did I use this diamond word at all? Did I use this diamond word at all? Judge by yourself. Multiple inheritance, sir. Again, he is asking multiple inheritance. Sir, this example is hybrid or multi-level. What is this? Multiple, what is this? So, is there any meaning in this? And don't feel, because these are all giving you doubt about the student things. Got. So, think about it. Read the notes. Without reading the notes, nothing will come out. I'm telling to you. It's my advice for you. Please read well. Please read well. Okay. Right. Come on to the point. University, college. Coming to the point back. Student, college, comma, university. College, comma, university. Which inheritance it is? CH Durga Prasad. Big take care, take care by yourself. Next time, you should not get this type of wrongly typed things by yourself. So, I shown you in the screen what you typed it and what you are thought about it. You just see. Take care by yourself. Class student, college and university. And don't feel from my side, because I already explained everything perfectly. If you did not read, I am not responsible for it. If you read, you will become a king in the subject. Otherwise, up to you. Right. When you read, what is that word? Diamond, single level. Did I use that word, sir? Single level? Durga Prasad, you only tell me. Right. So that is all things not correct. Right. Take care. So, this is what inheritance? Tell me, this is what inheritance? Multiple inheritance. Why? Student is inheriting from two classes. No problem. Now you come across. Same kind of main program I can write. Because student object is created, get student details, get college details, university details, because all of them are coming. But at the same time, what is coming? University details plus display student details also coming. Coming to the point of it. Save this code. Now I'm going to introduce in the coding part. Save it. So save it. I'm going to 4. Come to the command prompt. Coming to the command prompt, I'm saying like this. So G:/CD kvr Python 6 p.m. No, 4 p.m. Sorry, 4 p.m. 4 p.m. I'm saying that. Under that CD, oops. Under that inheritance. Right. Under that, please take care carefully. Now I'm writing. Python INHPROC 4. Happily asking 1111. Now, so something like CH Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad, what is your course in your BTech? What is your course? What is your course? BTech. Okay, BTech Triple E. Okay, college name. Your college name. Electrical engineer only. Okay, no problem. That's what. Triple E student will become. Okay, kids. KITS. Kids. Yes. So, coming to that. Next is called what? College location. For example, HYD. So, university name, JNTU, HR something, I think so. Next is called what? Location is called what? HYD, for example. HYD. So all the details are coming. University details plus college details plus this one is coming. Right? So this is what is coming. So coming to the point of it, all these things are getting. So even though we use multiple inheritance, we can solve it. Once we know subject, in any of the format, we can get it. Now, in another way, I just want to show you. See how many ways and means I am showing the programming. Programming is only the life for you. Let me take this code and let me go for this. Now I'm writing. Why I'm taking the same code many times? Because already problem statement you understand. You are understanding the ways and means to apply anywhere else. See, I will create the student like this. Let us go to multi-level only once. Multi-level only once. So this is called college and this you take it as university. This you take it as university. No problem. Anywhere else you can go for it. Even you can go like this also, no issue. I'm taking like this. Fine. Come on to the point. Now, coming to the point of it, SO is equal to student of. SO is equal to student of. SO dot get student details. Get to student details. Get to student details. SO dot get to student details. Right. Done. SO dot get student details is a method called with respect to SO. SO is an object of student. Control goes to where? Control goes to where? Student class. Looking for what method? Get student details. Okay. You are reading student details. From here only, from this method body only, from this method body only, I would like to call another method. Which method I want to call earlier? Get college details. From here, I want to call it get college details. So college is giving the what? This method is inherited or not? This method is inherited into this student class or not? Come on, ma, all of you. Inherited or not? Ah, yes, ma. Come on, tell me. How do you call it? 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 Please. Yes, waiting for you. How do you call it? Yes. Waiting for it for a long time. Oh, Arindam, very good. But you missed one thing. Brace, you missed it. Brace. See, ma. See, I should say, Ravi is saying that, SO dot, get the college details. Is it correct or not? Is it correct or not? Correct or not? Come on. Correct or not? So we will check it out. Somebody is saying that not. So we will see that. See, carefully think it. Carefully, Arindam, think ma. Yes, so it is a variable in the main method. It is a variable in the main program. So I am calling SO dot get details. What are you doing? SO dot get it. It will go to this place. It will go to this place where? College. From this, what are you doing? You are calling this. How you are calling? SO dot get what details? University details. What is the function name? University details. Yes, ma? So Ravi Kumar is saying SO dot get university details like this. So you just think about it. 5. This is called a 5. Okay. Now you come on to the point of it. Now here you called this is a one way of writing. One more way I will write it. SO dot display student details. Display student details. You are calling display student details. Display student details like this. Display student details. Where it is going? It is going to the display student class. From here you are calling. What are you calling? According to the student we said SO dot display what details? First student details you are calling, or before the student details you want to call which details? College details. Beginning only you are calling SO dot display. What details? College details. When you go to college details, here you are writing SO dot university details. Display. I will write with the word called what? Display university details you are calling. Then you try to see, execute it and try to see any error is coming. You just watch it, just to try to see. See that what is happening, you see. Saved or not, first of all, this is inheritance. Okay, it was saved on some other name. 1 minute. I will say save as. I will go for save as. So it was saved in something different way. INHD 5. Right. Come on to the point back. Now you execute. Now see the number. See the number. Previously I entered like this. Now I got these details. See, I got it like this. Got it. Saved it. I got it. That means why we feel that it is not coming. Some of the students write, this is called a global variable. Because it was scanned. All of you should understand. This was scanned, not executing. But the execution starts from the main program only. Are you understanding? Because this is an indentation maintained. Function will be called whenever you call it. Are you understanding, everybody, guys? It's like a global variable, acting like a global variable. One more way I will tell you, dear students, why I am showing these many ways and means. Because in any way the programming will be coming in front of you. Look at students once here. University 6.java. See here, we are calling, okay, you call it. But here you can call one more way. Dear students, self I can use it. What is self? Current class object. What is my current class object? Student. Can I write self or not? All of you please ensure it. Yes, please. Yeah. Self dot get college details. Come on, here also I will write what? Self. Self means what? University. University dot get university details. Yes, perfect. Pakka. So it is going to be self dot. Now it is going to be what? Self dot university details. Here also I will call it as what? Self dot. Everywhere else I am using self. So going to this place, once again you check it out, get student details. Here also I will write self. Wherever SO is there, I can write happily self. Self is nothing but a current class object only. So everywhere else I written here self dot. Here also. And above also self dot. Here also. And it is going up. It is going to be done like this. INHPR was 6. Dot Java. 6.java. Out of that, you execute. I will say 6 dot. I will say Ashish Kumar. I will say number called 222. I am taking Ashish Kumar. Something like I will take it as what? Okay, some different name. Okay, by mistake it is coming. And the course is something like a BTech EEE. Assume that same college. It is coming like this. So same, and please don't worry about it. And I am getting the details links. Dear students, are you understanding, Amma? This is a way of writing it. Students, are you able to get my points, Amma? Are you able to get my points, students? Yes, sir. Now let us go back. This is a way of doing. This is where I written all classes are written into one place only. All classes are written into one places only. Now I want to go for what? Different places I want to go for it. Everything is written in one place only, but in real time scenarios, all of them may not be able to write in one place. Let me go to like this. Class, this I will take it. Please observe it carefully. Now I will write a new Python program. Let me show you with the modules. What ma Raviraj? Hello sir, what is your problem? Raviraj, what is your problem, Amma? Sir, now can we see it in interviews, sir? What is that? Can we see it in interviews means? What is this? Can we see it in interviews means? Can we see it in interviews? You want to apply? You find out from office. when we sit in interviews, you please find out from office. No? So you are stopping me in middle of the subject and you want to ask this, huh? Okay, right. So please don't disturb me by going to this type of questions. So I don't know about that. Already interviews are over and I'm training them also, and I'm training on the logic development, and I'm having some class at 2:30. I'm developing. Whenever there is an interviews are there, I'm going to this place. So fine. So let us go to the further place. So now I'm going to the point of this discussion. So let us start with this program. So here I took it as something like this. I took it as something like this. Now coming to the point back, I will take, see, just a disturbance for me. So you people are, this is my program. I want to take it, separate class I saved it. This is class I am taking. It is a separate class I am taking. Now I will take a Python program here. New, I am taking Python here. So I am writing here. University is separate. Now I will save it on, this is a module, like I want to use it like a module. So I'm saving my file name university dot py, university dot py, treated as what? Treated as module, treated as module, treated as module. Please follow me carefully. Treated as my module. Fine. Fine. So next I'm going for entering into further. Now I'm going to enter into further. So what is that next further discussion? I'm going to take something like this. So I'm going to take, this is a further discussion I'm taking. Yes. Please let us follow carefully. Let us follow carefully. 1 minute more. Yes. So in this case, next I will go for another kind of thing is there. So go to the place of this. Here I'm getting one more kind of code. What is the code we are having here? Separately I will write one more kind of class. What is the class? College class I want to take it. College class I am going to take. Separately that also I want to take. Here I am taking. Here I saved it on university. Let us save this code first. Let us save this code. Right. University.py. University.py. And in this place, I took it. Then I want to go for college class is separate. College class is separate. College class is separate. Let me close some of the things which is already there with me. Right. University. I will take new Python program. New Python program. Others, now Python here. Now I'm just pasting here. So there I will take it as a college. Now I will take it as a college. College. Small letters I am writing. So college.py. Treated as what? Treated as module. Treated as module. Fine. And these things I am just removing it. These things I am removing it. Anything you are calling that I am just removing. And then just to try to save it first. I am just trying to save first. Right. Done. College.py. Next I will take one more. Last and final I am taking. About this part also I am going to give you. Student also I am going to give you. Student class also I am going to give you. Yeah. So go to the place and separate thing you take it. So I am taking like this. Python. Look at. So this, try to remove this part and try to remove other self points also. Separate classes I wrote. And I will save it as what? Student dot py. Student.py. Save this. So student.py. This is separate, treated as a module. Treated as what? A module. So done. Now if I try to take this university, what are you using? Nothing is there here. Suppose if you go to the college, what are you using here? University. Will it work or will not work? You tell me, all of you. Will it work or will not work? So it won't work. Why? College is inheriting from university. What should we do? What should we do, guys? What should we do, ma? We need to. We need to. Come on. We need to import. How do you do? From where? University. University. What? Import. Import. UNIV. Import UNIV. Import UNIV. Done. Save it. Coming to student. Coming to student. Student of college. Now I will take what? From college. College. From college. College. Import. Import college. C capital. If you remember, C capital. Because if you see college, C capital, and this is called a module. Done. Done. So college. Fine. College. This is also module. These three modules you are going to give to whom? Here mark. University not necessary. See, university not necessary. You do have university here. Durga Prasad. That is what your concentration is losing. Do you require university here? Do you require university here? No. No, not necessary. Then I will write one main program. Then I will write one main program. So how do you write main program? I will write main program. See, this is what you losing the concentration, Python. Now I will say SO is equal to student of. You call all the methods. From, I will write from student. From student. Student, from student. Small. The word called what? Small. From student. Yes. Import. The name of the class is student. Right? Yes. Only student. SO dot. Suppose, for example, I want to write a most powerful code. Most powerful. Get. Because you know the information about the student only. I will call only these two methods. I call these two methods. I will call these two methods. Only two methods I will call. Only two methods I will call. Right. Done. Right. No need, ma. Kaushal Tata. Once we import the class, class is coming. That object he will create and he will call that. No need to import methods, ma. Along with the class, methods will come. Okay. Right. So, in that, what are you doing? SO dot display student details. SUD details. STUD details. Student details. So, we are calling student details I called. Because of this, what is happening? Only get student details and display student details are calling. From there, I will go to that place. Student details after calling, I will call it as what? Self dot. This time you cannot write SO dot. Can I write SO dot here, students? See, SO is an object in where? Some other program. Here, can I write SO? Everybody. No, sir. How do you write? What you will write now? Self dot. This is the ultimate solution. Ultimate solution. Get college details. Get college details. Perfect. If you want, you can call once again. Get which details? University details. From here only you can call. No problem. Yeah. Do you understand, ma? For all these things, do you understand, please? Yes. Got it. Very nice. Now, dear students, come on to the point, ma. Here, display student details, I got it. It goes to the student class. From here, before my student details, I will call it as what? Self dot, display university details. Display university details. Self dot, display college details. Display college details. Display college details. Display university details. Display college details. Display college details. Display college details. Display university details. So both of them you are taking. Save this code now. Save this code now. Now we are going to execute. Finally, I will save this program. I will save this code. What is my program here? What is my program here? I will say, what is that? Student, college, university, demo, university dot py. This is my complete thing I am giving. Complete thing I am giving it. So make it as save it. Make it as save. Yes, please. Now see ma 5. Now you see. Got it. Number 1111 1111 Madhu Babu. Madhu Babu. I will say Madhu Babu. And I will say BTech. BTech CSC. CSC. Ayo. I gone for what? What happens? Get the college details. So object has no attribute. Get the college details. In which college? So coming to 1 minute. College you go for it. Student you go for it. Import the college from college. College. Get the college details. 1 minute more. College we will see. Get the college details. C capital ma here. C you see capital. C capital. If you say small also, no problem. Now you will get it. Now you will get it. Now enter. Now you enter. Number. So number. Right. Madhubabu. Right. Done. College name. College name. Something like a CV80. CV80. Gandipet. Gandipet. Right. Next. Again, what is happening? Get university details. Student class. Having again some wrong spelled thing. What is happening in student class? What is there? Self dot get university. Spelling mistakes mark. Spelling mistakes. See, are you observing? Are you observing errors? How you can observe the errors? See, student has no attribute university. University detail. University no. Get university details. By mistake, I wrote only university. Get unit. Now you execute. Now you will get pakka. Because you need to get errors, then only we will get perfection in the subject. Right. Now, see, I got it. Now, university name, Usmania University. Usmania University. Yes, Usmania University, Hyderabad. Now you got the data like this. So, university details, all the student details are coming. All the student details are coming. Right. So, I hope that you people are understanding my discussion. Dear students, are you understanding, Amma? Are you understanding this way of writing modules and all those things? So tell me, ultimately, if you want these things, to be used in anywhere else, you can do it. How do you do it, Amma? This kind of thing, you can keep it in the packages. You can keep it in the packages. Will you do it? Will you do it? Will you do it? Yes, you can do it. So you need to keep 3 things in the package. 3 things in the package. What details? University, college, and then student. Keep it in the package. And then you try to import wherever you like. You do with sys dot path dot append, and then Python path you use it. You can do it. Okay, students. Shall I move forward? Yes, ma. That is compulsory. In the package compulsory, whatever require underscore init underscore dot py is required. So I hope you will do that. I hope you will do it. Can I move forward, ma? Can I move forward, Yes, sir. You can do forward, sir. Fine, ma. Now, in this case, I did not explain to you constructors. Only data members only we explained. We explained only regarding to data members. Sir, why constructors you did not inherit, sir? I will explain. That is what related to next concept called polymorphism. I will explain. So it is related to inheritance only, but some advanced things will come inside. Some advanced things. So shall we go to polymorphism now? It is a extension to the inheritance only we are entering. Extension to the inheritance only we are entering. Shall I? Come on. Slow response is coming, ma. I want a quick response to be shown to you. Right. Yes, sir. Now we are going to enter into the polymorphism. Yes, students. Please look at. See how easy to understand this polymorphism. As it is, inheritance will come. As it is, inheritance will come. And you are learning, you are enlightening the programming skills with the polymorphism, something ahead of it. Something ahead of it. Please switch off. Some videos are on, ma. I'm getting disturbance during my explanation. Please, no, switch off your videos, students. Right. So I'm going to enter into polymorphism. So polymorphism I am going to enter. Fine. So many things, so many people will take so many number of things. By seeing this polymorphism in our Java, we are object-oriented programming means we are just simply experts. And I made you as an expert in this area of hoops. Classes you take it, objects you take it, and then inheritance you see. Right. Next, like that. Now we are coming to inheritance ways you see. Objects, number of data members, types of methods, how we are calling you see. Now we are coming to the polymorphism. Okay. So all of you, most of you are already there. In your college days might be studied polymorphism. Dear students, right. Yes, ma. Thank you, ma. Satyam Sharma. Now I am asking one question to all of you. What do you know about polymorphism? Please, may I know? What do you know about polymorphism? Please tell me. Whatever you know, you tell me. Yes, please. Whatever you know, you tell me about it. Okay. So people are saying that Farin Ansari, many, many forms, many forms. Okay, good. Right, Raj Kamal, you are my student already in Java. No, I'm not. I'm not taking your answer because you are my student already. I'm not taking Raj Kamal. Raj Kamal. Yes. Morning, you are my student. So fine. Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. Okay, I understood. This is what I want to tell even in the class. Right. Karthik is saying somebody. Okay, even so many people. That is my observation is correct. By see, it's not only correct. I am observing from last 23 years onwards. What people are saying is right. What people are saying is polymorphism means many forms. They will say. Interviewer will compulsory ask you what is a form. They will lose their form. This is my observation. Look at ma, look at please. All the knowledge what you have is blunder. What the knowledge you have is blunder. Please look at. Now I am coming to. I am making you to put on the line. I am making you to put on the line. Compulsory will put on the line. Yeah. Come on. So they will say many forms. What is the form? Student will lose the form because Sari is asking the question from your answer only. That is a very dangerous. Only one thing you remember, when they are asking the question from your question, you just be little bit more careful. That is, some people are going to answer it and the reverse counter will be given by the interviewer itself. So if you are able to answer the form, your faculty has explained what are the forms, you will be wonderful in the class. I will make you wonderful in the class. At the end of today's class, in the polymorphism, half of the part you are perfect. In the concept, you will become perfect. Programmatical, I am going to make you like anything. Okay. Some other people will say what, which I have seen it, where the many people are talking, poly plus morphism is equal to polymorphism, like a Telugu grammar. Telugu grammar. Madhya plus Pradesh is equal to Madhya Pradesh. So like that, they are enjoying the subject, So that is all cock and bullock stories. We don't want that. We don't want that. Some more people will say what poly means many, morphism means one in many forms. They will enjoy like that. It is a Greek word, as if they studied Greek language and all. Why? If it is a Greek word or Latin word, or why we want all those things? These are all called not good terminologies. Now, and don't mind because of this. Don't mind. So because of this. Okay, ma. Now you are coming to my class. As a part of my class, it is my responsibility to make as an evergreen student. To whomever you say these definitions and these concepts, you are evergreen student. Right. Let us please help me in answering my questions. Let me take a layman also. I want to make you to understand very, very perfectly. Very, very perfectly. Now I am taking with your permission one symbol. One student symbol I am taking. One student symbol I am taking. And don't feel that when you said your definition, I just commented on your definition and don't mind for it. Right, ma? I have, this is called one human being symbol, one person symbol, this is called. Whose name is called X. Whose name is called X. Just a normal example. I'm going to put you on the line of the subject. I want to make you to get it on the line of the subject. How easy to understand I'm going to say. Whose name is X. So person name is called X. Person name is called X. He is called X. Whose name is X. So just answer my questions enough. I will make you to learn polymorphism. You are sitting in my class. You are sitting in my class. That time who are you? Sitting in my class. Who are you, ma? Come on, who are you? Student. Yes, very good. You are called a student. Excellent. You are called a student. Okay, very good. Now let us go to the same person is going to home. Same person is going to home. Home. He is going to home. Who is that person, Amma? Who is that person? Same person is going to home. He is called what? He is called son or daughter. He is called son or daughter. Son or daughter. He is son or daughter. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Next, the same person is going to, yes, ma. Right. Okay, good. Daughter. Right. Same person is going to where? Movie. He is going to movie. Who is that? Who is that person? Same person is going to movie. Who is that person? He is an audience. He is an audience. See, I'm just explaining this entire thing with a more programmatically. That's why I'm giving them some general awareness for you. First awareness, this is called. Same person is going to stadium. He is going to stadium, stadium. So who is that person? Stadium is going. He is a player. He is a player. Then you tell me he is called a player. He the same person is going to battlefield. Battlefield is going. He is going to battlefield. Who is this? Battlefield is going. He is called a soldier. He is called a soldier. He is called a soldier. He is. Battlefield is going. He is called a soldier. Good. Oh, warrior. Yes. Excellent. He is a fighter. Fighter. Tell me, how many persons I have? Enough. How many persons I have? Very good. One. How many behaviors he is having? How many forms he is having? How many forms he is having? Many forms he is having. If you get a very good English, one person is having these many number of things. One person is having very good number of things. One person is having these many number of things. Venkatesh, follow me, ma. Follow me. Why you are going for your own things? Follow me. Why so hurry? Right? So don't link with my knowledge and your knowledge. That will become problem. Okay, you use KVRSR medicine. You use KVRSR medicine. It is an evergreen and make you a long-term healthy person, career-wise healthy person. See, this person is having one only, but is having how many behaviors? How many behaviors? Is having many number of behaviors. Ultimately, I'm going to give a conclusion. If you remember me, even a normal person, even multiple person, now I'm going to say the process of representing one form into this person is one only. We said that one is nothing, but I'm adding one word called one form. What is the form? I will explain very easily. I will explain one form in multiple forms. That person, one person is available in multiple forms. One form is available in multiple forms. The process of representing one form in multiple forms, is called polymorphism. Polymorphism. You can take the word, your English word you can take. Polymorphism, exact meaning is, poly means many, morphism means, poly means what? Many. Morphism means one. The process of representing one in many forms. And don't remember a Greek word or Latin word and all those things. Just remember my personal example. You will be nice. Come on. Now you are going. For example, for my satisfaction, all of you tell me, what is the definition of polymorphism? Please repeat. All of you. Please repeat, ma. Hmm. The process of representing one form in multiple forms is called polymorphism. Sir, you explain what is one form, what is multiple forms. You explain, sir. I will give you the clarity for you. Just for few minutes, you go on listening it. I will give you wonderful knowledge for you. Okay? Now I am writing point by point. I will just give me only 15 minutes. I'll make you one. So I'm writing polymorphism is one of the polymorphism is one of the distinct principle of distinct principle of distinct distinct principle of oops distinct principle of oops distinct principle of oops. Good. Now I am going to say, right, Raviraj, you also having problem, Amma. Whatever I am saying, you try to follow. Huh? Okay, right. You see, Raviraj is defining this type of answer. Raviraj is again he is having defining this type of answer. So if you define like this, if an interviewer is saying something, you see, Raviraj is defining this type of answer. One class or the two. One class are used in different program by different names, by different names, by different names. So what is this? What is this is called? Is it a polymorphism? Raviraj. So previously I shown you. Huh? Avinash Mishra. What is that problem? What is that? What you are saying to me? What you are trying to tell to me? Avinash Mishra, you are trying to say something to me. What is something you send? What is it, ma? Assessment link for what? For what it is? So let us come to the point. Let me complete my points, then I will go further. Let us go to the point. Here I am going to, polymorphism is one of the distinct principle of OOPS. Distinct principle of what? OOPS. Let us go to the point. Here, polymorphism is one of the distinct principle of OOPS. What is the definition of polymorphism? Now I am writing. The process of representing, look at the process of representing one form in multiple forms. The process of representing one form in multiple forms is called polymorphism. Right. For 2 minutes, just carefully you try to follow so that you will get the perfect knowledge. Okay. Then next, what I'm trying to say is, after that, I'm trying to tell you here. Now, after representing one form in multiple forms, it is called polymorphism. There we are supposed to understand what is one form, I will explain. What is multiple forms, I will explain. What is multiple forms, I will explain. In what way polymorphism is a good advantage for you, and I will tell you what is meant by form also. I will explain what is meant by form also. Okay, let me move forward. Suppose you take this example. I have a Python API, for example. Take it as Python API. This is my Python program. So whether you observed or not, this is my Python program. Already we completed. This is called my Oracle database. Dear students, whether you remembered or not, Oracle database. A Python program want to connect to the database. Which function we used, students? Come on, everybody. Which function we used it? cx underscore connect, cx underscore connect, cx underscore Oracle connect. We used that function. Okay. So we used as what? Connect function. Of course, module name I am not writing. Just for a minute of question, only function I am writing. Connect. Connect function. So in the connect function, you know what will be the parameters I used. Parameters I used. You know what are the parameters we used. Good. And we are having a pending topic. We are having a pending topic. I need to cover what? I need to cover what? MySQL also I need to cover. Because don't forget that steps which I already told you. Now here you see MySQL, this is called. MySQL, this is called. For example, there is some other database is there, for example. There is some other database is there, for example, MongoDB is there, MongoDB. There is some other thing called MySQL, that is called, what do you call, PostgreSQL. Next is called SQLite 3, you take it. There are different databases that are there, for example. So MongoDB, for example, this is one database. This is called one more thing called what? The SQLite database, SQLite 3 database, DB2 database. In all these databases, to connect to all these databases, dear students, to connect to all these and try to link our polymorphism concept here, because internally they used a polymorphism concept for implementing this type of thing. Connect. See what is happening here. How many functions we have? Tell me how many functions we have. Don't tell 4 or 5 functions. Don't tell 4 or 5 functions. How many functions we have? Excellent, ma. One function only. One function only we have. Connect function here also. One function only. But all of them are connecting to the same database or different databases? Is it connecting to the same database or different databases? Please. Is it to the same database or different database? So here I am trying to say it is going to have what? Different type of databases or same database? Different type of databases. So what is your sound? It is something like, sounds like what? One function communicate with many databases. How it will communicate? Based on the parameters. Based on the parameters. Based on the parameters. In Oracle, how the parameters we used to pass? Username / password at the rate localhost, that is called DNS, and the next is called what? After that we used to say service ID, SID, like that we used to pass. And here MySQL things are going to be something, parameters are different, but what is the same? Function name remains same. Then suppose if they give you different these are all comes under one function, one kind of discussion, one kind of function. Function name is same. Suppose they are giving Oracle connection. This is called Oracle connection. So they are using Oracle connect, and they are giving MySQL connection. Different methods. MySQL connection. So MySQL connect. Next is called what? Here it is called MongoDB, MNDB connect. Will you remember all these methods? And will you remember 100 functions? Will you remember 100 methods? No, sir. What is the best methodology? We want to use one method which is communicating with a different kind of communication layers like Oracle, MySQL, different type of things. Why I quoted this example? Because we already understood this Oracle database communication. Same connect function I can use, same execute function I can use in all the databases also. Indirectly, I am trying to tell you, polymorphism will make the life simple in the programming area. That is nothing but irrespective of your database areas, they are using the simple method called what? Connect method. Simple method called execute method. Simple method called cursor method. All of them are same in all the databases. They did not gone for different functions in different databases. When they go to different functions in different database communication, programmer will get an ambiguity and programmer will feel difficulty in development of applications. That's why in not only in Python, not only in Java, not only in .NET, every object-oriented programming language, polymorphism will be polymorphism is providing hi-fi kind of application development. And that too, polymorphism uses inheritance internally. How it is uses, I am going to tell you. Just for a minute, you wait. I am going to give the clarity. So let us move forward. One more thing. Sir, polymorphism is one of the principle. It is not a programming knowledge, programming concept. Dear students, you remember it. Polymorphism is one of the programming principle. It is one of the programming principle, but not a programming concept. Suppose wake up at early morning 5 o'clock and opening the Python nodes. It is called what? Best principle. Satisfied by whom? All the good students. They will get the advantage. They will get the advantage. Now, what is an advantage of polymorphism? You will understand very slowly. Now, I'm writing one sentence.
Recording in
Who is the
progress.
superclass, please? Customer 3. Customer 4. Who is the superclass, please? Customer 4. Customer 4. Fast food is a super class. And who are the subclasses? Who are the subclasses? Customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4. Customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4. Okay. And see, customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4 want to have different rices. Customer 1 want Manchuria rice. Customer 2 want curd rice. Customer 3 want lemon rice. Customer 4 want what? Biryani rice he want. So in all those things, what is common? What momos? Momos means Ashish Kumar. What is that? Momos means. Momos means. Okay. Okay. Come on, ma. Okay. Instead of taking that. What is common for all those things? Fast food center people are having. Is they really having that many rice with them? Is it having rice with them? Is that many rices are there? No, sir. They have one base level. They have one base level concept is there. What is that, ma? And don't tell this example anywhere. Just I'm giving for your awareness, dear students. Now they are having def. What is that? Rice function is there. What is the rice they are having? What is that nice rice they are having? Normal rice. Normal rice they have. Okay. Then you tell me, tell me, coming to the point of it. Now, here, I am saying this function, when this person is going to say something, this is inherited. This is the definition of the function. Carefully understand, ma. This is the function. This is the function we are having. This function is coming to customer 1. They are. First time I am using this word. They are overriding this method. Overriding. First time you are hearing this word. First time hearing this word. What is it? Fanidhar Reddy. What you something is saying? What is that? Remu, something he said. I don't know what. I don't understand his context. Okay, come on to the point. Fast food center. This is the word he is getting it. What he will do? He is inheriting that. And then he is doing some small operation on it, and he is preparing what? He is preparing print off. He is overriding that. First time I am using that word called overriding. Overriding is the concept of programming language. So customer 1 is inheriting this fast food, and the same function is coming. It is overridden. This person also inheriting this rice function, and then what is doing? He is saying that what? Def saying that what? This function is saying. Here what? This person is overriding. This person is saying overriding, and he is preparing his own rice. And this function is saying, is overridden here also. This function is overridden into where? Other kind of class also. Other kind of class also is overridden. So if you carefully follow it, how many types of functions are there actually? Be careful, ma. Be careful. Be careful. Here, how many types of rice functions are there actually speaking? Actually speaking, only one rice is there. But it is represented in how many ways? 4 forms. Satya, Monica. I told so many times more for you, but still you are continuing daily that format. Okay. So here I am trying to tell you, def, the same thing is available. So here if you follow me carefully, what I am trying to tell here is one form. This is called one form. Actually, method is available in one form only. I'm saying that this is called one form. Originally, this is available. It is called as what? Original method we can call. Actually, my intention is not to tell this example. In further, technically, when I'm entering, you need to give this example because already you have some awareness about this thing and you are already masters with this kind of situation. That's why I'm using your existing mastering things in that. This is called a original method. That original method is inherited into your derived class. You know how to inherit it. Now, this is known as what? All these functions which are present with the classes which are available are called what? Overridden methods. Overridden methods. Overridden methods. I am going to say overridden methods. These are all called. What is overridden? You see. What is overridden method? What is meant by overridden? Overridden is a programming concept of Java. Overridden is a concept of Python. Overridden is a concept of all the programming languages. In that, method heading is same. See, this is a heading. That is the same heading even you have in your derived class also. Even you have the same heading in derived class also. Heading in derived class also. Heading in derived class also. But what is different? Completely body is different. Completely body is different. It is known as what? It is known as what? Method overriding we can call. Method overriding of Python. Method overriding of Python is one of the implementation concept of Python to use the polymorphism. Polymorphism is a principle that I am implementing in Java with the concept of method overriding. This original method, this is called one form. Overridden methods are known as what? Multiple forms we can call. This overridden is known as what? Multiple forms we can call. Multiple forms. One form is known as what? Original method. Multiple forms are nothing but what? Overridden methods. Come on, coming to the example. Polymorphism is one of the best principle, but it is not a programming language, but it is not a programming concept. See, next I am saying in all object-oriented programming languages, I am saying all object-oriented programming languages, implementing means bring into force. Such a best principle they are bringing to force. All OOP languages implementing the polymorphism principle. Polymorphism principle. Implementing the polymorphism principle by using their concepts. Since we are Python programmers, in Python programming, I am writing. In Python programming, polymorphism principle is implemented by method overriding. What is method overriding also I will write. Method overriding concept of Python. Method overriding is a concept of programming languages. Even in Java also available, even in Python also available. Method overriding concept of Python. So I am asking a question. Try to understand me carefully. Method overriding is what? Concept of Python, which is used to implement which concept? Polymorphism principle. Now I am telling to you what is method overriding here. Method overriding is equal to method heading is same. Already you know method heading. In the beginning of the methods only we understood. Method heading is same. Means what? Method heading is same. Method name is same. Parameters, if anything is containing, that also same. Method heading is same. Plus method body is different. Method body is different. Is called what? Method overriding definition. The best example what you understand here is this function, which is common for all of you. Inherited, and they are adding some flavors and they are giving to you. This is known as what? Overridden method. Overridden methods are known as what? Multiple forms. And the first one you prepared is called what? One form, which is nothing but original method. I hope that you people understand one form in multiple forms. If you prepare your application like that, it is known as what? Polymorphism we can call. Suppose if you take this as an inheritance, no method overriding, nothing. Here you take it as, for example, inheritance point of view, you think. Inheritance point of view, you think. I'll just copy this complete diagram. This is containing polymorphism principle here. I will try to take in the inheritance point of it. Let us take one more diagram. You take one more diagram. I will try to paste here more. I'll try to paste. You think like an inheritance example. Suppose you take it as this function is normal function. What is the function name? Normal rise. N I will write it. Just N rise. Here I am writing what? Some M rise I will write it. M. Here I am writing it as some X rise. X. And here I am writing it as what? Some Z I am writing. Some Z. Here I am writing as some K rise I am writing. How many functions I have? You tell me. Don't make it to go out of it, ma. How many functions I have overall? Come on. How many functions? 5 functions. When you call 5 functions, how much memory space is taking? When I call 5 functions, how many times memory space is taking? You tell me. Roughly you tell me. How many times? 5 times memory space is taking. Is it taking 5 times or not? Yes, sir. Compulsory it is taking 5 times. But when I call this place, how many times memory space is taking? Anything you would call, how many times it is taking? Only 1 time. So tell me, the perfect advantage of polymorphism is it reduces the memory space of any application like anything. The polymorphism principle, if you implement, it is reducing the memory space. You are developing the business, you are developing the logic, you are solving your problem, and you are getting the higher efficiency by reducing your repeated memory space. One more example I will give you. Reducing the number of lines of code. No. It never reduces the lines of code. Never. It reduces the memory space. Let me give you one clarity again. Difference between inheritance and polymorphism. How do you make to understand quickly? This is the class. This is the class. This is a class. This is a class. This is a class. This is a class. Yes. Now you only tell me what is polymorphism, what is inheritance. Every polymorphism compulsory require what? I will explain in detail. This tomorrow also we will discuss completely polymorphism only. C3, C4. C4 this is called. Come on, ma. Here I have X function. I have X function. Here I have Y function. Here I have Y function. Here I have Z function. Here I have Z function. Here I have Z function. Now tell me, Z function this is. Here I have K function. Here I have K function. Yeah. Now I am having here like this. Now I am having this type of part. This type of part. Tell me now. This is one thing I said. And let us take this is one class. This is another class. This is another class. This is another class. Then C1. This is called C1. This is called C1, and this is called C2. This is called C2, and this is called C3. This is called C3. This is called C3. Next is called C4. This is called C4. C4. Here also inheritance only. Just wait. Here. What is happening you see. Here I am having one function called X. Here I have one function called X. It is inherited into X2. I will overwrite. I will change the definition. I'll change the body. I will write whatever the body I like. Again, I will inherit overriding. Again, I will inherit overriding. You tell me, what is the left side diagram? What is the left side diagram? Everybody. If you don't tell, it's a waste. What is the left side diagram? Inheritances are. This is inheritances are. This is. How many memory spaces are taking? Ultimately, if we come to K, definitely at least one time memory space must be taken. K memory space, Z memory space, Y memory space, X memory space. But what about this? What about this polymorphism? Polymorphism Compulsory follow inheritance only. Compulsory follow inheritance only. Plus, it will follow compulsory method overriding. Compulsory method overriding. This is a formula for polymorphism. This is a formula for polymorphism. C1 to C2. Yes, X is inherited. X is inherited. Override, override, override. Tell me, for my satisfaction, tell me. Which one is best in Whoops policies? When I come to polymorphism, inheritance. Inheritance uses what? Classes and objects. That everything is coming into polymorphism. So X is available in how many forms? Originally speaking, right side diagram. X is actually available in how many forms? Think carefully. One form only, sir. But it is available in how many forms, sir? See, sir, this is one format. This is called one format, sir. This is called one format, sir. This is called how many formats, sir? One more format, sir. And how much memory space is taking for all? One time only. That's why polymorphism advantage is really what? Appreciable. Are you okay? Are you understanding, ma? Yes. So, coming to the point back. Now I am going to the point back. Now I am going to say the method overriding is equal. Is the word I have a little doubt about you. Is it understandable for you? Is it understandable for you? Method overriding? Yes. So, to use method overriding, compulsory you need to inherit the method from one class to another class. To override the method, compulsory you need to inherit the method from one class into another class. So it is called original method. It is called original method. And this X, all other methods are called what? Overridden methods. Dear students, if you carefully follow me, this is called original method. I will just write it and I will move forward to back. This is called original method. Original method. Original method. Yes, it is called one form. One form I am writing. Now you need to answer my question. One form in multiple forms. Tomorrow they will ask you, what is one form? What is your answer? What is your answer? What is one form? Please, what is one form? Original method. Excellent. Now coming to X, coming to this X, coming to this X, coming to this X, and coming to this X. What are these X's are called? What are these X's are called, ma? Overridden methods. Overridden methods, these are called. Overridden methods, these are called. Overridden methods are called what? Overridden methods are called what? Multiple forms. Multiple forms. They are called multiple forms. I hope that you people are understanding what I am trying to call. What I am trying to call, you got it. Yes. For my satisfaction, you tell me, go back. What is one? What is one form? One form. One form represents original method. Original method of base class. Of which class, ma? Base class. Multiple forms represents what? Multiple forms represents what? Multiple forms represents, very good, overridden methods. Of which class? Of which class? Overridden methods of which classes? Where are you overriding? In derived classes. Overridden methods of which classes? Derived classes. Derived classes. Excellent. Now tell me, if you really follow me, what is a form? Form. That form may be in base class, that form may be in derived class. See, form represents, see, I am giving the perfect answer. Perfect. Form represents state of existence of the method. 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 Excellent. Sir, what is the state? If the method state is in base class, what is that method? Original method. If the state of the method is in which class? Derived class. It is known as which method? Overridden method. Are you understanding the meaning of form, Mama? Are you understanding the meaning of form? Yes. That is a very, very perfect sentences. What is that? If the method is existing, I'm continuing. If the method exists in where? Base class or super class, then it is called what? Original method. Original method. In the bracket, I will write one form. And if the method exists in where? Derived class. And if the method exists in derived class, which class? Derived class. Then it is called overridden method. Overridden method. That is nothing but multiple forms. Finished. Is it understandable? Is the definition is clear? First of all, are you understanding? The advantage of, now I am writing the final point. The advantage of polymorphism principle is that minimized amount of memory space is minimized amount of memory space is provided to the application. How much is required? That much memory space only will be provided. Even in inheritance, you see, if I have 20 base classes, all 20 class methods are at least coming one time memory space. One time memory space, at least it will come. It will take lot of space. If it is a polymorphism, if I use, it is providing minimized amount of memory space. Minimized amount of memory space is provided to the application. So polymorphism is implemented by using the programming concept called what? Method overriding. Method overriding definition also I said. I hope that you are understanding some exact difference between polymorphism and inheritance. At least by seeing this example, you got it. Dear students, am I correct? Are you getting ma? Or bouncing? Is it bouncing for you? Is it bouncing? No, sir. So you got it. Fine. For my satisfaction, tell me, what is the definition of polymorphism? What is the definition of polymorphism? For my satisfaction, please. Yes, please. The process of representing, definition of polymorphism, please. The process of representing one form in multiple forms. The process of representing one form in multiple forms. The process of representing one form in multiple forms is called what? Polymorphism. Tell me, polymorphism is the best principle of programming concept. Polymorphism is the best principle of programming concept. Yes, best principle. How can you implement in Python? This is a compulsory question in interview point of view. How do you implement polymorphism principle in Python? By using which concept? Method overriding. Excellent. Method overriding. They will ask you compulsory a question. Sir, what is method overriding? What is method overriding? Come on, heading. Come on, fast. Method overriding is equal to method heading is same. Already told you. Method heading is same plus method body is different. Heading is same plus body is different. Compulsory it is different. Yes. So method head. How many methods are there? How many method overridings in the overriding process? What we have seen, different type of policies we have seen. See that original method and then overridden methods are there. Now, so I'm going to take one small example, last and final one example I will show you. These are all called awareness regarding method overriding and all. Last and final example I will say to you. This is called a small example. I will write one small example. This is called USA. Class name called USA. They take one method I am taking. Deaf speak. I'm writing speak. Self, this is called self. Now tell me, which language they speak? Which language they speak, ma? English. So the definition speak method USA class is containing English. Now coming to next, one more class is there, that is called India. Take India. So India class is inheriting. India class can take another method, but they don't want to take. Next, another country name I will take it. Another country. China. So I will take China. Corona, China. Next, I will take one more kind of thing. Corona, China, that is. So, yes, I don't want to take, yes, these people remove. Useless people created this something and spread. So, take it as German. So, take it as what? German. Now, take it as Japan, for example, or take it as something like some other country. Take it as something like, I will take Australia. I will take it. UAE, whatever you take it. Australia, you take whatever you like it, ma. Okay, done. Malaysia, you take different languages. So on, you take it. Now, dear student, now these people, what they are doing? They are inheriting. Why? Because they can write their own function. But I'm not taking more memory space. I want to utilize my memory space effectively. I want to go for this type of thing. Which function is inheriting? This function was already defined. It is known as which method? Original method. It is defined. One form it is. It is called one form, dear students. Very simple, actually, polymorphism is. If I go to the syntaxes and all, you will really wonder like anything. I'll give you more and more. Come on to the India. What is happening? I am inheriting this speak method. Def speak method. Speak. So I got the same function heading. Heading is same. Self. Okay. Self I am taking. Then I will write what? Mixed languages are there. Hindi. Next is called Telugu. Next is called Odisha. Lot of some mixed languages are there in our India. So like this, mixed languages are there. Oriya, like this, Kannada, different mixed languages are there. We overridden this speak function. Bhojpuri, different type of thing. Again, the definition is coming. Deaf. Again, you are overriding. Speak. And what are you overriding? They will write their German language. They have their own language. They are overriding that language. Please follow me. And next, Australia, you take it. They might be having their own language. If anything is there, they are overriding that function. So they are overriding that function. Tell me carefully. Here you tell me how many functions I have. Originally speaking, how many functions are there? How many functions are there? Everybody. One function only, sir. But it is overridden in how many times, ma? Overridden in how many times? Multiple times overridden. This is called which method? Which method it is called? Overridden methods. Overridden method. This is known as what? Multiple forms. Multiple forms it is called. Multiple forms it is known as. Multiple forms. So, coming to the point of it, multiple forms. Overridden methods, multiple forms. One method is represented in multiple forms. Suppose if I take different programming functions, What is happening? To call my method, sir, I need to at least create objects. At least it takes what? At least three functions memory space is taking separately or not? But here it is taking memory space of what? Only one. Is it an advantage or not? Please tell me wholeheartedly, are you getting the command over the difference between inheritance and polymorphism or not? Inheritance and polymorphism or not? Are you seeing with your clear picture inheritance how it is, polymorphism how it is? All these things are you clearly visible, making you visible or not? Yes, sir. Clear visibility is required. In the next class, I will teach the programming on this. In the next class, I will teach you the programming. On this area, I will teach the programming. So I hope that you people are getting what I am talking about. So coming to the point of it, okay. So need not to take more. Tomorrow anyhow I am going to teach the programming. So this is one polymorphism. You can take one screenshot on it. This is a concept. What is a polymorphism? You can take the screenshot. You can take this screenshot. Right. Yes, ma. Bruce Lee. Windows 7, your Python program will not run. Will not run. You need to have Windows 7. Higher versions are required. Bruce Lee. You need to take different one, ma. Not. It won't run. Python program will not run. And in the next class, I will teach you the programming part. I will teach programming explanation. I will give. Are you following me? Rajshekhar, what is that, ma? Sir, multiple definitions. We cannot write multiple definitions in one class, ma. Rajshekhar, you see, yeah, he is getting some small doubt. All of you, please stay in the class. Don't leave the session. Please be there. So he is having this one. What is that? So he is having USA. He is thinking like that. What is that? What is that? He is having wide speaker. He is having like this. Self. It is having one definition. English. He is having a definition called English. You cannot write in the same place this is going to Java. And is going to Java. So it is going to be self. I am writing. Def. This is called a def. Next one I am taking. Def speak. You cannot take like this. Is it possible to take in the same place, same function again? You are thinking that you will write something like Hindi. Is it possible? In the same class, same name? Rajshekhar, not possible, sir. We cannot do like this, sir. It will give you error. Rajshekhar, are you getting, ma? Yes, we cannot. To override, you need to have to go for inheritance compulsory. To implement polymorphism, overriding is required. To use overriding, we require inheritance. Are you okay? So coming to the point of it, def word right. I tell def right wrong, sir. Okay, you said that one. Okay, wide. Okay, whatever it is. So I gave today some clarity on different kind of polymorphism. You see the windows of polymorphism here. So you see the windows, the varieties of examples I gave you. These are all called what? Varieties of awarenesses I gave you. Awarenesses I will give you. So this type of things. Tomorrow class, we will go for the programming concept. Don't miss tomorrow class concept. Very, very important class. I will tell you the syntaxes. Right. So let us go for, we will go for tomorrow beautiful examples I will tell you. Ma. Don't miss it. Thank you. Yes, ma. Vinay Kumar. It is going to, Java batch is going to start very soon in the June 15th or 20, like that it will start. One batch is coming to an end, almost end. It is going to start. Okay. Thank you. Good day. Yes, ma. I will update all these things. I will update, ma. Tomorrow I will update, not today. Tomorrow I will update. Vinay Kumar, timing I will tell you, ma. Okay? Timing I will tell you. Fine, ma. Thank you. Good day for all of you.